Hi friends, this video shows how to stop auto call recording during phone call. First let me enable auto call recording. Let me open this Samsung phone app, tap on this icon, tap on these three dots on top right corner, go to settings, tap here, tap on record calls. Here you can see auto record calls. Let me enable, tap here, done. Now I have enabled auto call recording. Next I am going to show you how we can stop auto call recording during phone call. Let me again open this phone app, tap on this icon, then dial one number. Let me call. Please wait. See, it's connected. You can see auto recording has been started. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Tap on these three dots on top right corner. Then tap on stop recording call. Tap here. Done. So this way we can stop auto call recording during phone call. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.